So if you're knowing Pirates now, you're just being like fascinated by Pirates and football now, then go back and try to learn the culture at Orlando Pirates, how things are done at Pirates. Riviero might have won 5 trophies, but it was time for him to go. It was time for him to go. And Pirates would not say, don't go. No. That's not how things are done in Pirates. Pirates is very smart. Ouaddou will take Pirates to the promised land. Mark my words. Don't say I didn't tell you. I've been telling you this from day one when Ouaddou came to Pirates. I said he's going to win the MTN8. He might take Pirates to the finals of the Carling Cup. He might defend the Nedbank Cup. Okay? He might win the Nedbank Cup from Kaizer Chiefs. He might win the league and the Champions League. How about that? So he has a chance to win 5 trophies this season. We're waiting. But let the man do his job.
Omni Sports. Break it down. Africa's premier sports destination.